Welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 beautiful arm styling variations to help you add more femininity into your bachata. We're going to connect each of these variations with basic steps so that you know how you can incorporate it into your dancing. When you're ready, let's get started. Before we start, we want to make sure that we have the right posture, okay? We want to keep our shoulders down, push our shoulder blades slightly together to engage our back muscles, but not too much. We don't want to arch our back, we want to have it straight. Shoulders relaxed away from the ears, and we want to keep this position while we are moving our arms. So let's start with the first variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do side basic to our right and then a basic 3-step turn to our left. First, I'm going to mirror you so that you can see what I'm doing with my arms. On 1, 2, we'll keep our arms in front of us. 1, 2, and then on 3, we'll start circling our left hand in, following our thumb, bringing our arm forward, and then on 4, we'll place our hand on our chest. While you're circling your hand, you can bend your fingers slightly, and then when you place your hand on your chest, you can open it and spread your fingers out a little bit, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll place our right hand on our hip with our elbow pointing out to the side and our fingers down and thumb is pointing forward. Let's do it together. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want, you can move your shoulder forward and look to your left, because from here we'll start turning. Let's do it one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to turn. On 5, 6, we'll slide our arm out to the side, and then on 7, 8, slide it down towards the hip. Let's do it together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it together with the rest. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to face away from you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try that with music now. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Now let's move on to our second variation. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll start in this position with our arms crossed. The right one is on top. And since I'm going to mirror you, I'm going to switch my arms. So right arm is on top. And from here, we want to rotate our hand out, following our thumb so that our palm is facing upwards. And then from here, make a circle with our hand towards our body, following our pinky. Then do the same thing with our left. Then again with our right, as we are bringing our arms up into this position. Let's do that one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we come here, we want to have a slight bend to our elbows so that we have a nice frame around our face. Let's do that one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, we'll bring our arms down, start uncrossing them, and slide them down towards the hips. Let's do it again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it together with the basic step to the back and forward, and I'm going to face away from you now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here we'll do a side basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll go again. But before that, I want to show you how to prepare for this position. Okay, so when we do a side basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to the other side, 5, 6, then on 7, 8, we want to start moving our arms here and cross them in front of us so that we don't have to rush and do it at the last second. Okay, so we'll go 5, 6, and then 7, 8. And from here, we'll start bringing our arms up. Okay, let me show you one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, we are moving our arms back up. Let's do it together. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, and now let's do it with music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's move on to our third variation. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I'm going to mirror you. So on 1, we're going to step with our right to the side and bring our hips to the right. Then on 2, move them to the back and to the left. On 3, again to the right. And on 4, we tap. Okay, so this is the hip roll. Pam, 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 pam. Now let's add the arm. On 1, we're going to bring our arm out to the side, and we want to make sure that elbow leads the arm up. Okay, so we're not bringing our arm straight like this, but first is the elbow and then the rest of the arm. 1. Then on 2, we're going to bring our arm forward. And then on 3, 4, bring our hand under our chin and move it to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to make sure that when we are bringing our arm forward, our arm is in line with our shoulder, approximately, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll bring our arm down on 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't have to come here or come down on 8. You can come here a little bit earlier on 6 or 7. It depends on what works for you and what you like. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add the feet. So now I'm going to face away from you, and we are starting with the hip roll. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we'll do side basic to our left on 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll do side basic as we did before. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hip roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do music now. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's move on to our final variation that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to start with our arms in front of our body, crossed. It doesn't matter which arm is on top. And from here, we'll bring our arms down and then out to the side with our palms facing to the side as well. From here, when we are in this position, we'll make a circle with our hands to the back, following our pinkies. And from here, bring our arms up. Our palms are facing upwards. And then from here, we'll do one more circle in, following our pinkies, and bring our arms next to our head, next to our temples, I would say. Make sure your hands are relaxed, okay? So not too stiff or not too firm, but relaxed. Let's go one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, we'll just bring our arms back down on 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll put it together with the side basic, and I'm going to face away from you. Let's go to the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, and now let's go with music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, that was all for this class. Please let me know how you liked it and what you would like to see next. And in the meantime, you can check out this video over here where I share with you more arm styling variations. Thank you very much for dancing with me, and I will see you in my next one.